What's up guys, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to solve exponential equations through using logarithms. Now essentially this is just an application of the logarithmic laws which you guys should know, but let's take a look at the first case. 7 to the power of 3x equals 5. Now the first thing you do with any exponential equation is take the log of both sides. So log of 7 to the 3x equals log of 5. Note that these are both log base 10. And you should know that when we have a number raised, the log of a number raised to a power, we simply bring the power out the front and it becomes 3x log to the 7 equals log 5. So now with this we can essentially rearrange it and isolate the value of x. So the first thing you do is 3x equals, we'll divide both sides by log 7. So it becomes log 5 over log 7. And now to find x, we simply divide both sides by 3. So we get x equals log 5 on 3 log 7. And that is your answer. So as you can see, it's simply just an application of the logarithmic laws. So let's have a look at another example. 5 to the 2x equals 21. Essentially it's the same thing as the one before, and it's the same idea. So what we're going to do is take the log of both sides. So the log of 5 to the 2x equals log of 21. And again, these are both base 10. So as you can see, we have the 2x out the front here. The 5 to the power of 2x. And with the powers, we bring it out the front. So 2x log 5 equals log 21. And again, simply rearrange for x. So 2x equals log 21 on log 5. And then divide both sides by 2. We get x equals log 21 on 2 log 5. And if you chuck that in a calculator, that will give you the correct answer for x. Now we're going to look at a bit of a different example, but it's essentially the same thing, and we're using the same ideas and concepts as the previous ones. So the first thing we can see is that we've got a constant, so 2 plus 3 to the power of 2x minus 3. Now the first thing we want to do here is move the 2 to the other side. So we have all the constants on one side and the powers on the other. So if we do that, subtract 2 from both sides, get 3 to the power of 2x minus 3 equals 8. And now it's the same thing. We simply take the log of both sides. So log of 3 to the 2x minus 3 equals log 8. But the way this example is a little different is that the power is no longer just 2x, but rather 2x minus 3. But it's still the same thing. We bring the whole power out the front, and it becomes 2x minus 3 times log 3 equals log 8. It's important to note that we have to put the brackets around the 2x minus 3 because the whole power is multiplied by the log of 3. So now we just expand it. So 2x times log 2x times log 3 is simply 2x log 3. And now the minus 3 times log 3 is minus 3 log 3. And that, of course, equals log 8. Now, it's the same method as before. We rearrange for x. So doing that, we get 2x log 3 equals log 8 plus 3 log 3. And we'll divide both sides by log 3. We get 2x equals log 8 plus 3 log 3, all on log 3. And now to isolate the x, get it on its own, we need to divide both sides by 2. So therefore x equals log 8 plus 3 log 3, all on 2 log 3. And that's your final answer. So you can see through all these examples, to solve these equations, you simply just have to apply the logarithmic laws and just follow that through, and that will get you the correct answer. Thank you, and I hope it helps.